Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can blur half of your background on CapCut PC. Also, I wanted to say sorry about my voice, but it's not in the best condition, I would say. I'm just going to grab this video, going to copy and paste it. I'm going to then select the cutout. I'm going to then select auto cutout. Then on this video, I'm just going to copy and paste it one more time. I'm going to then go to effects and I'm going to search for blur. If you can't find it, oh, okay, I guess now you can't search up effects anymore, or can you? Okay, I guess not. I think it's in opening and closing, or it's under lens. Yeah, it's under lens, and you're just going to select blur, sorry, and you're going to add it to the video on top, or you can add it straight away to the video like so. Then you're just going to want to go to basic, select the pencil and adjust the blur a little bit so it's not too blurry and it looks unnatural if it's too blurry. Then select the video, go to mask and select the horizontal and just blur the part that you want to blur, like maybe like only this part, and kind of feather it out. Maybe you want to go back to basic and adjust the blur more so you can see better, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!